Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to reactivate Instagram account after temporary deactivation. Now, this is quite a simple and easy thing to do. So make sure you follow me along to get an idea of how you can do this. Now, when you delete or deactivate your account, you have the option to reactivate it. Now, I'll quickly show you this by using this account that I have over here. I'll go ahead and deactivate it first. I'll go to Account Center, go to Accounts, click on Account Ownership and Control, click on Deactivation and Deletion, select the account, and then I will go ahead and deactivate the account. Now remember, if you delete the account, you will not be able to retrieve it, which means you cannot reactivate it. Only deactivation works that way. So there you go. Once you click on Deactivate Account, it is gone. It will now log me out of Instagram. And as you can see here, it is already done. Now, all you need to do in order to reactivate your account is to remember the login details. Just put them in. As you can see here, I just reactivated my account. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to reactivate an Instagram account after temporary deactivation. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.